I'm still recovering from working on my deck, so I haven't been doing videos on repairing cuckoo clocks or any other kind of clock. But I want to talk about something a little bit different. Here, Hecko in 1960 had a clock kit, do it yourself cuckoo clock kit. That'd be a 30-hour movement with hand carved genuine black forest clock frame in multicolor. They also had a different kind of like a shield clock over here. But here's the 30-hour movement one that they had. Well, this company called Lindberg in 1966 sold these type of clocks. And I've seen them for sale for around $30 or so. I thought they were pretty cool. Here a while back, I bought one off of Goodwill. It's not all put together, but I don't even know if it's all there or not, to tell you the truth. I just thought it was cool. Here's the instructions on how to put it together. And you could probably take these instructions if you had a 3D printer and knew how to make the mold, the program for the 3D printer to get it to work. Here you have a coil spring for the great wheel. Here's the movement itself. As you can see, I'm putting pressure on the second wheel, and which has caused the escapement wheel to rock back and forth through the verge and crutch assembly. Because putting pressure on the great wheel, it can still be done, but it's harder on your fingers to do it. And that's why when you're repairing clocks, if you use the second wheel, it's easier on your fingers. But it's just a quick video to show you that, like I said, it's a pretty cool little clock kit made in 1966. I'm 1 year older than this clock. That's why I bought it. But I thought it was pretty cool. Still have the original box that goes with it. The color is still in good shape, but the box itself, it's got some tears on it. But I still have the original instructions. And if you are into, I don't know, toys and stuff like that, they say having all the original information makes it more valuable. how much this thing worth? I don't know, $30. But it's still pretty cool, I think. What do y'all think? If you do a Google search, here they want $33 for the one I just showed you. Here you would have to know what worth point you'd have to sign in a worth point to see how much it's sold for. eBay doesn't have any. They got other stuff made by the Lindberg Line, but anyway, I just thought it was pretty cool. Now right there you will see kit number 325. And the reason why I show you that is I just found another web page and it shows some more information. Now how accurate this is, I have no idea. But they're saying in 1966 it was a new item, and then around 1972 they remade the item as reboxed. But in 1972 it's number 334. Shows full kit release, 1969, changed. Nothing. But in 1966, it's kit number 325. But the Lindbergh's been out since the box says 1933. There's a goofy clock that was made in 1965. Here's one that was made in 68. One that was made in 1969. Snap and screw assembly, no gluing required. And then this one was made in 1973. Snap bit plastic clock kit. And then you got the newer clock kits out. But the box says the Lindberg line established since 1933.